Hey guys, this is Crafter here, coming with a very exciting video showing the new finally completed Darth Vader helmet, which I've been working on for the past 2 months. It had to be 3D modeled. I used Autodesk Maya to model the helmet. I then had to 3D render it. I had to then convert it into STL file format and had to slice it, and then finally had to 3D print it, give it layers of primer, hardener, hard metal, and finally give it a very nice sanding, wet and dry sanding, and this is our finish after 2 weeks of painting. I'm giving it excellent.
And I'll be explaining how to wear the Darth Vader helmet I constructed. So we've got the back piece, which is just put on my head. Magnets are located. We are now attaching the front part to the 4 magnets. We are putting the Velcro straps on both sides, right and left. You can see a beautiful fit, as it fits perfectly. We then got the face mask, which goes in with about 8 magnets, perfectly sealed. And finally we have the dome, which goes on top and automatically locks perfectly in place.
The dome comes off. It's got magnets around the perimeter, mask, the bottom part and the back part. These all divide into 3 parts. So this is the first part, which comes off like this. We then have 2 Velcro straps in here, which helps to further secure the pieces together, as the Vader helmet is quite a heavy helmet, so you need extra security. This is the bottom part, nice and shiny, and this is the back part. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.